Sunday today, and I would like to show you a video. So, this is mango cream. See, like the end. It's number 3, and I'll put it in my hair. So, with my thing here, I rub it in, I put it in my hair. And then, when I'm finished, you see how it's like, straight? Okay, so the next one is called, Daddy, what is this one? Look. It's 4. So I'm gonna put in my hair. Now the other one is mixed chicks. Mixed chicks smells very good, and I just love mixed chicks to put in my hair. My hair is just so curly, and I just love to put my hair into a ponytail. So, this is my brush, so I can brush my hair and go to the other side and brush my hair. To the other side and to the back. Okay. These are another rubber bands again, and how much I love rubber bands, but you just have to tell me. I love rubber bands. Okay. So you see how my hair is nice and straight? You see how it's nice and accommodated? Nice. See? That's all the things you commemorate for the environment. You have to help the environment. You have to help the animals. You have to help Australia. You have to help the whole world. Because some animals are dying. I wish I could save them. Okay? Take care of the environment. Bye-bye.